Hi everyone, welcome back to UI Basket. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any icon into vector. Okay, we will go to Google, search icon to vector. We will open the first link by Adobe. Click on it. Here we will upload our icon or photo. Click on it. So here we have three options: drag, drop, and image and browse. We will choose browse. We choose our icon. So here it will take 15 to 20 seconds to convert your icon to SVG. Okay. So for better result, use high resolution image and ensure the subject has clear edges. Okay. Now our icon has converted into vector. We will click on download button and download. Okay. Now it is the downloaded. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comment below.